What's up everybody, welcome to Gadget Labs. In this series we're going to be testing a bunch of products from Temu. Specifically today we've got something that I think a lot of men like, the RC cars, and we're going to be putting this to the test in maximum conditions and seeing what they say in the description is for real. So let's get right into this video. So let's start with the unboxing. The box is not really that big per se. If you guys, I have my gauge right here after to compare it to the actual size, because we know that a bunch of Temu products can kind of rip you off with the size. So here you have the instruction manual, which in the car you have a bunch of batteries and then you have the ones that plug in, and the Chinese manual. Let's open this sucker up. Alright, nothing else in the box, so we can throw that one right away. Pretty interesting way. Damn. There we go. Wow. I mean, I'm here to tell you that this one looks really nice. The colors and everything, the quality feels good, the tires are nice and squishy. It's even got a bumper here at the front. The colors look very nice. At the bottom here, it does come with the controller. The controller, I will say, feels a little bit cheap. Not the best quality. You can hear that there, but not the best quality. But again, this is what it comes with. And then I guess this is what the battery is that you put inside. And then it comes with its proprietary charger, which I believe you just connect like this. And then whatever, you have a dongle or anything like that, then you just connect that right into the wall. So really not that many things. This is everything that comes in the box. You get the card, you get the cable, you get this, and you get your little screwdriver to open everything up. So we have one charged up. Let me show you guys as well, just a size comparison. This is what a Gatorade looks like besides the car. So it's pretty decent. I mean, it was 340 pesos, so which would be $20. It says it goes up to 15 kilometers per hour, so not that bad of a price for what we have. The quality looks really nice. It does have bumpers, it does have suspension here, and it looks pretty cool. And at the bottom here, this is where you change it. It also does have for calibration, so if it's moving a little bit to the left, then you can calibrate it here, whether it's the right or left. That's pretty common in RC cars. In the back, you also have back suspension here, and it does seem to work. I mean, I'm pretty surprised. The tires feel nice as well. Feels pretty rough, and it also has this thing on the front. So let's charge this bad boy up, and let's test it out in the real world. All right, so here we are outside, and we've got rain and everything, so we're definitely doing a full-on testing. We're gonna see how fast this thing can go. A ver, mándalo recto. I mean, I think it is maybe 15 kilometers per hour. It goes pretty fast. I mean, it's not that bad. You can even do spins and everything like that, so not too bad. Now we're gonna test on a little bit more rugged land and see how much this thing can survive. Next up, we're gonna do the crash test. So we're gonna send it going fast straight against that blue thing there. Let's see if it sustained any damage. So no real damage that we can see. Scuffed just a little bit. Not really that bad. The bumper does protect it. All right, let's move on to some more testing. So now we got a bump test. We got that little bump right there, and we're gonna see how this can do it. I think just went flying over it. I mean, it's not that big of a bump, but it definitely goes over it. All right, so now we're in all rough terrain. Let's see if it can do it. A ver, dale, sí, manéjale. Ya se trabó. Alright, it got stuck there, so I guess it can't do with this grass. Ya no jala. It reached its limits. I mean, it doesn't do that bad. A ver esta grandota. Can it go over that? I don't know. Yes, it can. Alright, let's head back to the lab. Alright, the final one is the stair test, stair drop test. It's pretty high, so you're just gonna send that thing flying and let's see how far it goes. Mándalo. Okay, that one definitely went flying. Did it break? I don't think so. I don't think so. I think it looks pretty good. Alright, let's head back to the lab. Alright, so we're back here in the lab, and is this worth it? I would say it's definitely worth it for $20. I mean, it really couldn't hurt. It definitely didn't get that bad. I mean, it's built pretty good. Quality-wise, it's built pretty good. It's not really that fast. I mean, after a while, I guess, after playing with it a little bit, it might not, I mean, you might want something a little bit more powerful, but definitely for $20, it is definitely worth it. So this Temu buy, definitely approved. I'll be putting the link down below in the description if you want to buy it. So, thank you everybody for tuning in. If you guys did enjoy, smash that like button and subscribe if you want to check out more. We'll see you all in the next one.